Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to uninstall games on Battle.net. So do you need a free or hard drive space or just clean house? Okay, so I'm going to guide you through uninstalling any Blizzard game in the updated Battle.net app. So first, you need to launch Battle.net on your PC or Mac. Okay, open Battle.net desktop app. You can do that in the web app because for you to play games, then you have to download the Battle.net. So let's say you're in the Battle.net website, click on Battle.net, download Battle.net, and download the app. So let's say you're already playing. It means you already have the Battle.net app. Now launch the Battle.net on your PC or Mac. On the left sidebar, click the icon for the game you wish to uninstall. Once you click the game, on the game's detail page, locate and click the options drop down near the play or install button. I'm going to go over that again. On the game's detail page, locate and click the options drop down near the play or install button. In the menu, choose uninstall or uninstall game and confirm. Click yes, uninstall in the prompt. The app will remove the game files. The duration depends on the game size. If the game still takes up space or doesn't appear removed, you can clean up leftovers. For Windows, use the control panel. Use control panel, click on control panel, click on uninstall the program to remove the game manually. You can also delete residual folders in C column program files / game title or C column / program files x86 in parentheses / game title. All right, so you can just delete all the files from there. For Mac, in Applications, right-click the game and select Move to Trash. Optionally, you can remove support files in Library and Application Support, etc. So here are some troubleshooting tips. If app doesn't recognize the game, that if you get the error BLZBNTBNU004, that means game not recognized, just launch the game directly from its folder or executable, then retry uninstall via Battle.net or uninstall via Windows control panel as I have explained before. Now, always prefer the Battle.net clients to uninstall games. It's cleaner and supported. After installing or installing, restart the system to ensure space is freed up. To remove a stock game still appearing in the control panel, use cleanup tools like Geek Uninstaller, CCleaner, or Revo. And that's it, your complete guide to uninstalling Battle.net games cleanly and effectively. Go one tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps and course. Once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.